What day is it?
Well, today is miscellaneous day. We're gonna do some measuring for the driveway, some cleanup in the house, from the sanding and whatnot from the sheetrock. Shane's gonna measure some piping and stuff in the basement for the tankless water heater. So
Let's get at her.
let's do it. What you doing?
Whoa. I am putting in a hot water heater. So I built this to go in here to hold it, and then we're going to run the PEX. Then when I get done with that, I'm going to run the black pipe for the gas. So now I need to raise this. Now I got some good measurements, I need to raise this up so that we got a good place to mount it. And then I need to raise them both up. And that's where we're at.
You like being in the crawl space, don't you?
No, I don't. It's hot. It's not as hot as out there, though, believe it or not.
We have a partial trench here dug for our propane, which we're going to put right there where the orange flag is.
It's hot. What day is it?
Well, it's Saturday on a very rainy day. Rained all the way from Kansas City all the way down to Wheatland. But today we're going to try and focus on getting the air conditioning and heating going, and we're going to hopefully get the black pipe in so that we can get the propane in. I'm going to wipe some walls down and get the dust off the sheetrock so that we can focus on painting in the next couple weeks. And that's about it.
Well, let's get at her.
Let's do it.
lift that up and go straight down on the corner. Not that one. You got that one. These down here.
These two?
Yep.
I think it's coming loose.
Pry bar? Nope. That's mandatory. One piece left. That is simple, very easy.
Pry bar will have, or a hammer will have to pull that nail out though.
Yep.
Well,
A pry bar.
I mean, the nail won't hurt anything, but
All right.
that box will be over.
We got a hole.
Sorry, honey. All right, here we go.
The last time down the rabbit hole.
Here he goes. Woo! There you go. We're closing up this rabbit hole, as Shane calls it.
Be careful, that stuff's sharp.
Yeah.
You got everything you need down there?
Yeah, I just gotta go grab it real quick.
Okay.
Just that.
Excellent. We're in air conditioning.
It feels so good.
Ah, it feels wonderful.
It feels so good. Oh my goodness. Woo!
It's going to be freezing down there. There's more holes down there.
Oh, great. Anything you want to add?
Do I want to add? I can't add. I don't know
Okay,
that.
so we had the porch, Rick.
Tell you, this thing sounded amazing under here, Shane.
Oh, I bet it does. Justin says it's amazingly cool down there.
Oh, I'm sure.
Imagine that.
We
We still have
irrigation.
5 holes, 5 vents to put in. So he's got 5 vent holes down there. He's cold.
Air it out down there.
Yeah, he's chilling.
So we will have a vent down there as well for airflow.
Yep, to keep it dry down there.
Yep. We had Rick come out to give us a visit on the back porch and front porch. So we should get estimates probably tomorrow or Monday. So we should be getting that wrapped up, which would be great. So
Do it again.
do it again.
Okay.
We also had Rick come out. I'm not sure if he's with the company or not, but
No, but you're gonna have to talk loud. Justin's being loud.
I'm gonna yell at y'all now. Rick came out to visit with us about the front porch and back porches, so we should be getting some estimates on that soon.
Yeah, and I'm getting.
You're getting yelled at.
What?
Yeah,
I was 2 inches off on my memory.
There he is again.
Really?
22.
So we got. Doing sheet metal work for the returners. and Justin's memory wasn't as good as he thought it was. So they're a little bit long, which is good that his memory went extra long instead of a little bit short. So that's a good thing.
And what are we doing with this?
Okay, this goes to the return line on the air conditioning. All right?
Yep.
Just checking, this is a guy that knows everything. I'm just his helper.
Here's his worker today.
Yeah, I'm the tool holder typically. I just know sheet metal work, so I'm doing it.
Is that why you have cuts all over your arm?
I got cuts on my arm?
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Maybe. I don't do a lot of metal. This is metal. I usually do aluminum because people that know me know I'm a racer and know I'm a pretty decent fabricator at times.
Okay, so we have left. I look like a scary movie because I'm having to use my flashlight on my phone because it's so late. We worked at the house, got the air conditioning running, and Justin might have to come back one more time, which is no big deal. Anyway, we won't be home until probably after 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. So it's been a long night, a long day. Don't you think? Where you at?
What? I'm so wore out.
He's gonna be sore.
Yeah.
Working in a 4-foot crawl space, he's gonna be really sore.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Most of the day.
right. Okay, well, good night. Until next time.
Like, share,
And subscribe.
and subscribe. Hey, we got it.
All right. When we're tired, we get it.
Yeah. Yay.
All right, have a good night.